Be very careful up here, okay? Because the water's going really fast. You can see it down there. Look at how fast it's going. Whoa. And then the creek on this side.
There's horse poop.
Yeah, don't step in the horse poop. Whoa. Tess, next to my right side, hold my hand. Ben, stay back away from the edge, please. This really scares me. Come up over here, please. Oh, there's a blue heron. Blue heron. Let's go find the kids. The water down there. And the kids right there. Hi kids, we're gonna go to the left. Wait, no, you're right, this way. We're further out than I thought. What did you see over here, Tess? Anything good besides these beautiful little orange flowers? In the pond?
There's a stranger up there.
It's fine. Not all strangers are bad, honey. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? What?
Those strangers had tattoos.
Yeah, there's strangers everywhere. That doesn't mean they're all bad. Alright, I love you. I love you.
Love you too. Bye.